na siya? Tanong ni Uno. Tara, sagutan natin. Bago natin masagutan tong mahabang problem na to, kailangan alam muna natin yung rules of addition. Ano ang mangyayari kapag pinag-add natin ang dalawang positive number at pinag-add natin ang parehong negative numbers? So, let's give an example. Let's say, 3 plus 4 are both positive numbers. Pag pinag-add natin, 7. Kagaya ng normal na ginagawa natin. What if negative numbers sila? Negative 3 plus negative 4, ang magiging sagot natin ay, ipag-add lang natin sila, at kukunin yung sign, which is negative. What if we have two numbers with unlike signs? One is negative and the other is positive. For example, we have negative 3 plus positive 4. Ano yung magiging sagot? Now, the rule is, kapag magkaiba ng sign, isusubtract natin yung numbers. So, 3 minus, again, kasi isusubtract natin, 3 minus 4 is gonna give us 1. Now, rule number 2, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, between 3 and 4, mas malaki yung 4, so ikakopy natin yung sign niya, so magiging sagot ay positive 1. Negative 3 plus 4 is equals to positive 1. Now, let's try another one. What about 3 plus negative 4? Again, if the signs are different, the first thing we have to do is subtract. 3 minus 4 is going to give us 1. Which has the bigger number? Is it 3 or 4? Definitely, it's 4. Let's copy its sign, which is negative. So the answer is negative 1. 3 plus negative 4 is equals to negative 1. Okay, pause nyo tapos sagutan nyo to. Ang haba nito. Okay, part 2 for the rules of subtraction.